If there is one thing that can completely transform a simple homemade meal from basic to restaurant quality in just a few seconds, it is having the right herbs stocked in your pantry. Today, I want to talk about a true kitchen staple that I have been using non-stop in my everyday cooking: Lavendium Dried Parsley. Whether you are cooking up a warm batch of soup, tossing together a fresh pasta dish, or seasoning a quick pan of roasted vegetables, parsley is one of those versatile herbs that just works with almost everything. But let's be honest, keeping fresh parsley in the fridge can be a challenge. It wilts quickly, and half the time it ends up going to waste before you can even finish the bunch. That is where Lavendium Dried Parsley comes in as a total game changer. Sourced directly from trusted farms and growers, this dried parsley gives you that awesome herb flavor, vibrant color, and beautiful finished look without any of the hassle. Because it comes in a convenient dried format, it stays fresh in your pantry, ready to go whenever inspiration strikes in the kitchen. I love using this for my weekly meal prep. If you are roasting potatoes or sheet pan veggies, a quick sprinkle before putting them in the oven adds a deep, savory aroma and incredible eye appeal. Making a quick homemade dip, salad dressing, or marinade? Toss in a spoonful of this parsley and it instantly ties all the flavors together. It is also fantastic for scrambled eggs, creamy sauces, marinara, and heartwarming winter stews. What makes Lavendium stand out is the quality and the bulk-friendly size. If you cook at home regularly, like I do, buying tiny spice jars from the grocery store gets expensive fast. Lavendium offers direct-from-source quality in practical pantry sizes, giving you premium herbs with amazing everyday value. It is smooth, easy to measure, and fits right into any kitchen workflow, whether you are an experienced cook or just starting out. If you are looking to restock your pantry with quality ingredients that make everyday meal prep faster, easier, and much more flavorful, you definitely need to check this out. It has quickly earned a permanent spot in my spice rack, and I know you are going to love having it on hand too. You can find the direct link to grab your own pack of Lavendium Dried Parsley right down below in the description or on my Amazon storefront. Give it a try on your next meal, and let me know how you like to use your pantry herbs in the comments. Thanks for hanging out today. Take care and see you guys soon.